Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So what are you doing? Are you doing like an oil change?
No, we already did that one. This is filling up the batteries. I've been wondering whether our batteries are too old and aren't holding charge well enough just because they don't last the night. And I just randomly came across this part in the manual that says, be sure to refill your batteries now and then. Have you ever heard of such a thing? So all we need is distilled water and a funnel, and we are refilling our batteries. And our batteries are right under our front step here, so we are blocking the way.
Kind of hard to get in and out.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my,
Got
wow.
kick. There's
Careful.
acid. So
Oh, there is?
Yeah, this is acid.
Uh-oh, it's on my hand.
Okay.
Get it off, get it off. Okay, see if that does it. That one's really empty.
Wow.
My goodness.
So this is all you need to do to fill up the batteries?
I guess so. I thought we'd have to disconnect them, but I guess not.
How many holes are there?
I think there's 6 on each battery.
Okay, should we take a little bit out of this one here?
How are you gonna take it out? Oh, you're smart.
Oops. Oh my gosh, it's sizzling.
It's sizzling? Why is it
It's
sizzling?
acid. So we got 18 holes filled.
Yeah.
We'll see. A lot of little like dust particles got in there, and you're supposed to use distilled water because regular water has minerals. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen if you get dust in there.
I need a bottle done. Okay. I'm going to the dining room. Oh, I can eat people!
Refilling the batteries made absolutely no difference. Even just one 12-volt battery like the ones we have should be able to power the refrigerator, the lights, even charging cell phones. And that's just one battery, and we have 2. So we're thinking that our batteries are just old and dead. So we are on our way to an auto parts store so we can get new batteries. So here we are again, except this time, instead of refilling our batteries, we are taking them out.
Why are you fixing?
We're trying to replace our batteries.
And why is that wet?
That's WD-40.
Yeah, but it's wet.
I know, it's a special spray that's supposed to make things come apart more easily.
So I can't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch anything down here. You might get electrocuted. Okay, so they are disconnected, right?
Yep. They should be
All right.
completely disconnected.
How heavy is it?
Well, it's getting stuck.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh.
Deep cycle batteries that are dead. And here is the empty compartment. We can clean it out a little bit first, at least. So we bought a couple of new batteries, and man, that's a lot cheaper than we expected. We expected replacing the batteries to cost at least like $1,000, because that's what everything in an RV costs, is $1,000, right? They were $95 a piece. So for a grand total of $200, we get 2 brand new batteries. We'll see if they make a difference. Even if they're crappy batteries, we can replace them like 5 times for the cost of that we were thinking. So hooray.
Okay, so we need to pick a princess that's prettier than her.
Which way were these guys?
All right, is it done?
I think so.
Let me see. That looks beautiful. I cannot wait to see how long these batteries last. So the good news is the batteries are working really well. They last the night, and with our little mini solar panel plugged in, they last all day too. So the only reason we ever need to run our generator is to do cooking. Batteries do not provide AC power, the 120 volt system. So the next step is going full solar.